So I have a unusable Samsung Galaxy S6 that got water damaged, I think, and it's been like this for a couple months using like an older phone. I've been getting by with that. I don't know whether to try to get it fixed at a place because I've tried. There've been phones I've had before where the screen went bad or something, and I bought a new screen and I've replaced it. But it's always some weird. I don't even know how to put it. Like something weird happening. Like things are slightly off. Off to press harder than I'm used to pressing to get the touch to register on the screen, or just some like weird side effect. I don't know how else to put it. That'll happen, and I really don't know if it's worth it to try to get this fixed or just to like put that money towards a new phone. Cause I enjoyed the screen. It's really nice, bright, vibrant, but the battery was shit. You know what I mean? It was super shit. And I'm looking at things and look at, it's like already super old already. The battery shit's like, why would I fix a phone? It's gonna be like I anticipate it's gonna be 100, 150 to do it. I could get a new phone for that definitely, or that could be halfway towards like a good mid to high end phone like the OnePlus or something like that. And I don't know. I feel like I just want to try to like separate it for parts, take the battery out, sell the battery because I only use it for like 5, 6 months before. So you know, you a fan of taking your phone apart, doing all these because the friggin' the speaker's gone. I don't know if I could sell the frame for something, or I could probably sell the battery and the logic board probably. I don't know. I'll see what happens. But I don't know. Do you prefer to like just fix an old phone or get a new one? Like, tell me what to do. Well, like, not exactly tell me what to do, but just if you found it worth it to fix an older phone, let me know. Because I'd rather not spend money on this again.